This is a simple, portable option that's perfect for home, travel, or any time you need a quiet and convenient pumping solution. Before you begin, make sure your hands are clean and all pump parts are washed and fully assembled according to the manufacturer's instructions. Find a comfortable place to sit and try to relax. Taking a few deep breaths can really help with milk flow. Next, position the breast shield directly over your nipple. Make sure your nipple is centered in the flange so it can move freely without rubbing against the sides. A proper fit is important for comfort and effective pumping. Now, gently squeeze the handle to create suction. Start slowly and lightly to stimulate letdown. Once milk begins to flow, you can establish a steady rhythm, squeeze and release, squeeze and release. Try to keep it consistent and comfortable. Pumping should not be painful. If you feel discomfort, stop and adjust the positioning. Continue pumping for about 10 to 15 minutes per side, or until milk flow slows down. You can switch sides and repeat the same steps. When you're finished, carefully remove the pump and store your milk in a clean storage container. Always label it with the date and follow safe storage guidelines. Manual breast pumps are lightweight, easy to control, and great for moms who want flexibility without relying on power. Thanks for watching, and remember you're doing an amazing job.